Do your joints and muscles need a little tune-up? We all do from time to time, and that's okay. This is what June's challenge is all about. This month, we'll be focusing on oiling up our machine, lubricating those joints, strengthening those muscles, and really tuning up from head to toe this vessel that we call our body so that we're prepped for the month of June. I'm sure we have all these activities planned this season. This is so important. In this challenge, we'll be working our hips, our knees, our hands, arms, our balance and strength, our mobility in the form of a good morning mobility routine. And of course, blood flow and circulation, your heart health is so important. I have a fun routine to cover that as well. Join me in this challenge today. It's super simple. Go directly to justinagustin.com or download the Justin Agustin Fitness app available in your app store. Choose any subscription that works for you. I recommend the yearly one so you get these challenges every single month on the first of the month so that you can progress throughout the whole year. I'm so proud of you all for doing these monthly challenges every single month. I see you all in my community section. I appreciate you. And if this is your first time today, you totally got this. Happy June 1st. I'll see you at the first workout.